So in this video, we're going to go through the same 4 examples that we did before, but this time I'm going to use the y minus y1 equals mx minus x1 form, just so you can get used to seeing how this works. You don't have to use this method. You are perfectly at liberty to use method 1 if that's where you're happiest at the moment. But I think it's worthwhile seeing this from the outset. So, first of all, gradient is 2 and it passes through 1, 5. So the 1 is the x1 and the 5 is the y1. Okay? And the gradient is 2, so that's your m. So we can substitute all that information straight in. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. And then we just need to rearrange it. So y minus 5 is equal to, multiply that bracket, 2x take away 2, and then we can add the 5 to both sides. So y is equal to 2x plus 3. Minus 2 plus the 5 is 3. And there's my answer. Okay? With a little bit of practice, this will become faster in general than using the y equals mx plus c form. Right, number 2. The gradient is 3 and it passes through minus 1, 8. So m is the 3, the x1 is the minus 1, and the y1 is the 8. So y take away y1 is equal to m x take away, so it's take away minus 1, so that's plus 1. Okay, so we're taking away a negative value, and that changes to a plus. Multiply out the bracket. So 3 lots of x, 3 lots of 1. And then we can add the 8 to both sides. So y equals 3x, and then 3 plus 8 is 11. So that's number 2. Right, number 3. We have a gradient of minus 2, so that's m. The x1 is 2, and the y1 is minus 3. So y take away y1, so we're taking away a negative value, so that will be plus 3, is equal to m, which is minus 2, lots of x, take away x1, which is 2. Multiply out the bracket. So minus 2x, then minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. And then subtract the 3 from both sides. And we get our y equals minus 2x plus 1. Okay? So when you're doing this, you just need to be careful with the minus signs when you're substituting into this format. So last one, we have a gradient of minus 3, so that's the m. It's passing through minus 3, minus 4. So x1 is minus 3, and y1 is the minus 4. So y take away y1. So take away minus 4 is plus 4, is equal to the m minus 3, lots of x, take away x1. Take away a minus is adding 3. Once you're at that stage, if you can get through that process, then it's very straightforward from there on. Okay, it can be a little bit fiddly dealing with those minus signs, but it does take a little bit of practice, as things do. So multiply out that right hand side, minus 3 times x, minus 3 times 3, And then you can subtract 4 from both sides. Minus 9 take away 4 is minus 13. And so that is the equation for number 4.